Hello there and welcome to Clay Disarray, a calm creative corner of YouTube. It's been a while, hasn't it? I'm ever so sorry it's taken me so long to upload another process video, but I've had kind of all sorts going on really. However, I'll come to that in a second, but today I'm showing you how I made my model of George Harrison. I just absolutely love the Beatles, so I wanted to make all four of them based on their final performance on the rooftop. And of course you can see that in the film Get Back. It's just an incredible performance and I've seen it so many times now, but I just can't stop myself from rewatching it. It's just one of my favourite performances, I think, certainly from the Beatles. And interestingly, I've never made a model of George Harrison. I have made John and Paul a few times now, but yeah, I've just never made George, and in a way, I've never really wanted to, and not because I don't love him, because I do, but he's got such amazing bone structure that I just thought I'd never be able to do him any justice really, so just kind of avoided making him. So this model was an absolute challenge, I have to say. So I've been away for a while because I have a condition called mast cell activation syndrome, and you've no doubt never heard of it before. And not many people have, considering it's not exactly a rare disease, but it just hasn't got a lot of acknowledgement really, certainly in the NHS here in the UK. But it basically means, in simple terms, a hyperactive immune system. So it means that I'm allergic to most foods, and I'm currently at around 30 foods, but at my worst I got down to 3 foods, so needless to say it was pretty grim. I was really ill for quite a while, a few years ago now, but I've never fully recovered. I've been very intolerant to a lot of food, and I get some allergic responses as well, so it's really quite unpleasant. But it's not just food that I react to, I react also to environments and smells, so it's really quite a challenging illness to live with. And recently I've started to react to clay or polymer clays, so that of course when you're a clay artist is a bit of a nightmare really. So I've recently started on some new medications, and I'm just starting off in tiny amounts at the moment, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to build up that amount as time goes on, to the point where I can lead maybe a more normal life. But I've got lots of restrictions going on in order to try and keep myself as healthy as possible at the moment. So obviously my clay work has taken a bit of a back seat really, and that's why I've not really been uploading any content, which is such a shame because I love creating. And you may well have seen me still uploading shorts because I still want to keep this channel active. It's just really difficult when you're not uploading because YouTube doesn't really promote your content very much. So yeah, it can be a bit frustrating really. I made these models a few months ago now. I'd just completely forgotten that I had the footage, so that's why I decided to upload one today. And who doesn't love to see a beetle come to life in clay form? So these were just lovely models to make. And usually I sell my work, but I'm absolutely not parting with these because they've just become my little buddies in the studio really. So yeah, unfortunately these guys won't be hitting my shop. But I'd of course love to hear what you have all been up to. Have you been making anything with clay? Perhaps you've been working with other art materials. Let me know, I'd love to hear. So now I'm just going to work on George's hair. And he's certainly coming together now. And here he is, my little model of George is all done. And I've also got some footage of John Lennon as well, so of course I'll be uploading that at some point soon. And before I go, I just wanted to show you something that I received in the post a little while ago now, and it's a shame I've not been able to share it until now, but Sally, who watches this channel and has become a friend really, is just so talented. She sent this to me, gosh, it must be a few months ago now, and I was just absolutely delighted. What a beautiful little piece of art, of course based on me and my dog Jean-Paul. So Sally, I'm sorry it's taken me so long to mention it on this channel, but I've been away, but I'm just still absolutely delighted with this piece. Thank you so much for taking the time and effort into doing this. I'm still blown away, so thank you very much. And yeah, I'm sure there'll be lots of admirers today because it's gorgeous. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to be back at some point soon with my process video for John Lennon. So until then, take care and I'll see you soon.